How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do some Kegel exercises. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys a cool exercise that you can do to really hammer home your Kegels, your Kegel muscles. So the first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do leg lifts, but we're going to hold midway. And we're going to hold for 10 seconds. And we're just going to keep doing this, you guys. Trust me, this is very, very good. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold this position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. Then we're going to take a micro break. Then we're going to do it again. Trust me, this exercise is very good. It's one of the best exercises you can do for your Kegel muscles. So really make sure that you guys are doing it. Make sure you're following along with me at home to see the best results. I love making these videos, but I like it better if you guys are following along with me, actually doing the exercises at home as the video is playing. So let the video play and then follow along with me. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I like to call that the leg lift midway. And again, all you're doing is you're just holding it midway. You're doing a leg lift, and all you're doing is midway, you're holding that. That is also going to develop your ab muscles too. So if you want good six-pack abs, then make sure you're doing that as well. The puppy's in the video again. Hopefully you guys don't mind her. She's pretty cute. She's got her jammies on, or she has a shirt on. She wants to play ball with me, but I'm making a video, you guys. So 10 more seconds, then we're going to do it again. So we'll do it again. This position right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, you guys. Very good position. Now, for first timers watching this video, if you're new to the channel, what I always like to say in my Kegel videos is to find that Kegel muscle, because everyone's trying to find that Kegel muscle. To really work the muscle, you have to find the muscle first. To find the muscle, what you want to do is start peeing in the bathroom, of course, in the toilet, and then stop peeing midstream. When you do this, what's going to happen is that muscle that you hold when you're stopping your pee, that's your Kegel muscle. So you want to replicate that when you're doing this exercise. Again, you don't want to pee though. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this exercise, very good. You guys keep doing it with me. Keep following along at home and you're gonna see results. Trust me on this. And again, 30-second micro breaks are the best to do in my opinion. You can do different rep schemes, and I will do different rep schemes, but for this video, we're gonna do 30-second micro breaks. So we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that was the last of that exercise. We're going to do another exercise after our micro break. Two seconds, you guys. Little bit of delay, you guys. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do is basic ab crunch. That's right, ab crunch. But at the top is where you wanna feel that kegel muscle working. So when you do the crunch, feel that kegel muscle working, you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we will finish our micro break and then we will do it again, you guys. This is a very good exercise. I love doing this exercise. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So again, this exercise, the key to doing it is make sure at the top you're squeezing your kegel muscle. That's how you do it. That's how you feel your kegel muscle being worked. So we're going to do this 2 more times and then we're going to be done, you guys. So if you've been following along at home, great job. Keep this up and you will get better kegel muscles. Trust me on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Quick little micro break, then we'll do it 1 more time and then we're done, you guys. End of video. Okay, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is the end of the workout, you guys. Hopefully you did get a good Kegel workout in. I will keep making this video. To me, it seems my subscribers are really liking the Kegel videos and the ab videos, so I'm going to keep swapping doing those. just let me know what you guys want to see too in the comment section, and I will take that into consideration as well for all the videos that I make. So again, if I see like a ton of likes on a comment saying do vein video or do push-up video, then I will do some of those videos as well. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.